In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix songs not playing in Apple Music playlist. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Apple Music relies heavily on a stable network connection for streaming playlists and syncing your library. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if one works better. Next thing you want to do is launch settings. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find Apple Music and launch it. Now here, you're gonna find the option of sync library. Make sure it is enabled. In case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. This refreshes your music library and can fix playlists that refuse to load or sync correctly across devices. Another fix is checking whether the songs are still available in your region. Sometimes, tracks disappear from playlists because licensing agreements change, which can cause songs to appear grayed out or unavailable. You can try removing the affected songs and adding them back again from search results. Also, make sure your iPhone's date and time settings are correct. For that, go to Settings, go to General, click on Date and Time, toggle on for the option set automatically. Incorrect time settings can interfere with Apple Music authentication and streaming. Likewise, check software update. If any updates are available, just do it. If the issue continues, shine out of your Apple ID and shine back in. Head back to the main page of settings, click on your Apple ID, scroll down and click on Shine Out, confirm it, wait for a few minutes, and sign in back. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, you can completely delete Apple Music and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.